Welcome to DIY with
Bubbly Kids!
Today we are going to do paper plate owls, like her shirt.
Yeah.
Now we are going to cover both sides.
Yeah. I'm doing the front first. Oh. Circle.
Now we are going to fold in our wings and glue them.
Yeah.
Glue them.
Now the purple inside of it. Me too.
Yeah. Oh, they're purple.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Then glue in it. Then
I'm done my stuff.
Me too. Me done around and around. Me, I didn't.
Jillian, did you do this wing? You gotta do this wing right here. And then fold it in like Bobby.
Okay.
Press it down hard. Okay.
Done.
And then you glue up here. Did you do yours, Hannah?
Yeah.
No. You gotta fold in your wings first.
Yeah. Then the bottom.
And then you gotta fold this part down.
I'm waiting for them to be done.
Me did go.
Okay, fold it down. Good. Press it hard again.
Do the bottom.
Nope.
Okay. Done.
Okay, fold down this head.
Now
Eyes first.
eyes first.
Now we're going to do our eyes.
Done.
So Jillian, the eyes are these round things.
Now we are doing our eyes, these round things.
These are mine. I have to lose my right glue it first. I did the eyes.
Do the other side too.
I did.
Oh, you did both sides?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your eyes on. Good job. Now what do you do?
Put it on. Yeah. Now
Now time to
Yep.
put on my orange beak. Orange is a good color for a beak, or that's a pretty good color.
Mom, I'm putting it hard on, but it's slipping.
It's okay.
Okay. Do the nose.
The beak.
Yeah.
Not a nose.
Yeah.
And then we
Okay.
will have a black marker to color in here. But now it's time for my orange feet.
Yep. Now for my feet. The eyes are on. Now
So you're gonna
the
glue
beak.
right there.
The beak.
You right
Going
there.
back. I'm not doing it on my feet.
I'm right and back.
Mhm.
Now put our things on.
Here, a little bit lower. Right there.
Then now, I need my cover.
Put your feet on. Good job. Nope, you want to stick it so it's sticking
Then?
out.
Oof. This is so flat. Mine
Okay,
is
okay.
done.
That's a lot of glue, Hannah.
Mm.
Put your beak on.
Beak, 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 beak. Here are bigger line. Beak, 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 beak. Now, my feet. My pink beak. Feet.
Okay, Jillian. You gotta put a circle, a dot, right? A circle right in there. Can you do a circle? Good job.
Can I have one of the little ones to make it easier?
Okay, now color in that circle.
That's so we did a circle. This. This up. Okay.
Like that.
This.
No, over here. Honey, you want the glue up here. There you go.
And then.
We're gonna just stick
Mommy
that
did
right
it.
there. Good job.
Then
we're gonna do our glue right up here, please. Good. And then we're gonna do that.
stick.
And then Jillian, you're gonna give her the black marker.
Mommy.
What?
Here, Hannah.
No, mine is done.
Honey, that's plenty of glue. Hold on. Hannah's not done with hers yet.
I wish we can make real wings,
Those are real wings.
but they don't pop out.
Oh.
This is what we did for our craft. Owls. What does a owl say?